Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your overlay is not working. So I'm just going to let's add another video actually. Let's see, I want this like as an overlay, and I'm just going to put this as like the main video. And then for instance I put another video like on top. And when I place this on top like this as like the overlay, it's not working, like it's still like at the bottom. You're just going to select nothing, go to modify, and you're going to enable the arrange layers, save, so that when I place this one on top, it's still going to be on top as like an overlay. Go to the blend mode and select whichever one you want here, adjust the opacity. Maybe let's delete this. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. On the phone, it's called splice, not overlay, I think. Like the blend mode. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.